I'm having fillers and Botox.
Okay, what areas?
My nasal labial folds and my forehead.
Great. What do you hope to accomplish with this procedure?
I don't want to look so saggy right here. I don't like the bulldog effect. I would like to lift it up a little bit, and then I don't like these wrinkles right here.
Great. What made you choose contour dermatology, and specifically, more importantly, why did you choose Dr. Jochen?
Because my friend Brianne Ramirez used to work here, and I really trust her, and I like the way that she looks, and friends of mine at work have come here and they all look really good, so I trust how they look, and that's, you know, a product of Dr. Jochen, so.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to lift this up a little bit. We'll put a little filler around here. Okay. There's this pouch right here that most people have. It's called the buccal fat pad, and what happens is as that starts to disappear here, you start to get these wrinkles, and you start to get this little bit of what we call marionette lines right here. Okay. So we're going to try to plump that up, and I'm going to also try to lift your cheeks just a little bit like that. If you look in the mirror, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to try to do just a little bit right there to bring that up just a little bit. But I think it's going to look good. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll let you numb just a little bit longer, and then we'll get started with injections. Okay. Now, when I inject, I like to be thorough, and I like this to look natural and fresh. And so we're going to do a lot of injection sites. Okay. And so there's a chance that you're going to bruise. Okay. And a lot of people get very frustrated with bruising, but in order to be thorough and give you the look that I want you to achieve, there may be a little bit of bruising. So if you have any events or anything like that, you know, just to let you know, there could be a 2-week period where you may have a little bit of bruising. So I like to prepare people, otherwise they get mad. Okay, this is going to be great. Okay. Fillers are a subtle improvement, and you know, some people say, "Well, I can't see where you did it," and to me, that's always a good thing, because we want you to look nice and natural, and we don't want people to say, "Oh, you did fillers in your cheeks, or you did fillers around your mouth," or you know. So we want it to be subtle, and some people get frustrated with that, but I really always want people to look natural and fresh. And now we have to bring it out in the front as well. There's just a little bit of bleeding. We're not getting a lot, so. Okay. Now we're doing just a little Botox, is that right?
Well, that's what we had.
Okay, good.
What do you think?
Well, I think we should do a little bit. Okay. I think we should do it. Smile hard for me, please. Let's soften this up and just make sure this all looks really good.
Keep smiling, or?
Yeah, smile hard for me. It shows me where the fine lines are on your face. So this should be a little bit easier to handle than the filler. Okay, so now over here. And you can see this is pretty quick. I've done this for so many years. I kind of know where to go, so we can get through it. Some people like me to go a little bit slower. If that's your wish, I can always slow it down a little bit. Okay, now squint down hard between your eyes. And just a little bit more here, because you've got a little bit of pull on your eyebrows here. And then raise your eyebrows up high. You've got just a little bit of peak right here. We want to soften that just a little bit. We don't want it to go away. Raise on this side. Just a little bit right there. Okay, great. And you're going to have a little bit of bruising. The way you minimize the bruising is to ice your face 10 minutes on the hour today until you go to sleep. And that'll really help to minimize the bruising. You will have a couple bruises, hopefully not bad. It'll take about 10 to 14 days for them to go away. Okay. Let me just show you what you look like.
Oh, yeah.
See how nice it is? It really softened it up. We lifted your cheeks up this way, which I think was really nice. I think you'll like it. What do you think? Yeah. It's good? Okay, well thank you so much.
Thank you.
To learn more about facial filler injection procedures, contact Contour Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery Center at 888-977-SKIN or visit our website at contourderm.com.